and welcome to Halla Bol. You are watching our English news bulletin at this moment and this is Rashmi here with you. Before moving to the details, let us have a look at the headlines. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi condemned the inhuman autocratic act of Shivraj-led BJP government in Madhya Pradesh. Ex-Health Minister Sudip Roy Borman blasts BJP fans FB group for pervert post meets DGP files complaint. MP Rebhuti Mohan Tripura's comment saying IPFT has connections with the extremists fired up the political heat in Tripura. Indian government to appoint Vikram Duraiswamy as the new High Commissioner of India to Bangladesh. Now the news in details. Shivraj Hatao, MP Bachao read the hashtag when Congress leader Rahul Gandhi raised his voice on the atrocious incident of destroying the farm and ruthless beating up of the Dalit couple in Madhya Pradesh. A purported video of the incident which showed the police hitting the Dalit man mercilessly with batons and his wife and others trying to save him went viral on social media and sparked controversy. The Dalit couple consumed pesticide in protest against the anti-encroachment drive. In response, the police brutally beat up the couple. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi condemned the attack saying, "Our fight is against this injustice." He also shared the video of the assault on Twitter and wrote, "Our fight is against this mindset and injustice." Questions have been raised at all the party levels saying, where is the Shivraj government taking the state of Madhya Pradesh to? What is this jungle raj going on in the Madhya Pradesh state? Also, on the incident of lathi charge by policemen of Kant police station area in Guna, even if there is a dispute regarding the land, it could be resolved legally. But the way of taking law in hand, beating up the family mercilessly, where is the justice? As atrocious police action in Madhya Pradesh made national headlines, Shivraj Singh Chauhan-led BJP government has been criticized by all major sections of the people and political parties. The farm been destroyed by using a JCB machine and the Dalit couple had been compelled to commit suicide. On 7th August 2016, Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed the people saying that it is our responsibility to lend help, provide respect and security to the lower caste people like Dalits. But the incident of BJP-led government in Madhya Pradesh is totally opposite to that. The incident being highly unfortunate proves the failure of BJP-led government in the state where a poor family had been dragged to the doors of death ruthlessly. The Congress slammed the use of force on the couple and demanded action against those responsible for the incidents. According to the criticizers, this inhuman act further exposed the autocracy of Shivraj-led BJP government, and this fight and roar of the common people's voice is the beginning of the end of the BJP and Shivraj rule. Bureau Report, Halla Bol. Ex-Health Minister and present BJP MLA Sudip Roy Borman met acting DGP Rajiv Singh while lodging a complaint against the depreciative post at FB page of Biplab Kumar Dev Fans Club on Thursday. Ex-Health Minister and present BJP MLA Sudip Roy Borman lodged a complaint against the derogatory posts made through Facebook by Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Dev Fans Club, including its member Sagar Kumar Datta on 15th of July. He met acting DGP Rajiv Singh and apprised him of a campaign of calumny being carried out on social media. Sudip Roy Borman condemned the act to defame him, his father and other family members without any basis through the depreciative post made by a group, namely CM Biplab Kumar Kumar Dev fans club, including its member Sagar Kumar Datta, widely circulated in the social media. He further added the CM fans group started pervert mudslinging against his family, parents, which Tripura never witnessed earlier.
ডাইরেক্টর জেনারেল অফ পুলিশ ইনচার্জ যিনি, ওনার সঙ্গে আমি সাক্ষাৎ করতে এসেছিলাম, একটা কমপ্লেন দিয়ে গিয়েছি। কিছুদিন ধরেই দেখছি একটা ফেসবুকে একটা পোস্ট, এর আগেও দেখেছিলাম। আমি দেখার পর আমি টেলিফোনেই ডিজিপি ইনচার্জকে এই ঘটনাটা জানাই এবং গতকালকে ওই একই ফেসবুক পোস্ট একটা আমি দেখতে পাই। ওটা হচ্ছে সিএম বিপ্লব কুমার দেব ফ্রেন্ডস ক্লাবের তরফ থেকে একটা কুরুচিকর একটা পোস্ট, যেটা আমি মনে করি সম্পূর্ণ অসত্য, উদ্দেশ্য প্রণোদিত এবং হেয় প্রতিপন্ন করার উদ্দেশ্য নিয়েই এই পোস্টটি করা হয়েছে, যার কোনো ভিত্তি নেই, কোনো সত্যতা নেই। বিশেষ করে ইয়াঙ্গার জেনারেশন, যারা নবপ্রজন্মের ছেলে মেয়েরা, তাদের কাছে একটা ভুল বার্তা যেতে পারে, আমার সম্পর্কে একটা ভুল ধারণা তৈরি হতে পারে। এই ব্যাপারটা আমি লিখিত আকারে আজকে ডিজিপি ইনচার্জের সাথে দেখা করে আমি কমপ্লেন করে গেছি। এই তুমি ঘটনাগুলো দেখো, যারা করছে তাদের বিরুদ্ধে আইপিসি এবং আইটি অ্যাক্ট অনুসারে তুমি কাজ করো, অ্যাকশন নাও। এটা তো হতে পারে না।
Sudip Roy Burman is one of the Tripura's most successful health minister and also a popular leader who has been known as a kind-hearted and high-spirited person to the people of the state. Here it is to be noted that Tripura BJP government turned to a colossal failure in span of 28 months as party infightings spiked up. Party workers involved in dirty things under the direct patronage of the senior position holders. Bureau Report, Hello. IPFT has connections with the extremist, commented state ruling BJP party's member of parliament Rebati Mohan Tripura, also condemned the ally IPFT party for its lunatic and violent behaviors. IPFT has connections with the extremist unit. Similar allegations have been raised by state's ruling BJP party MP Rebati Mohan Tripura against the party's ally IPFT. According to the political analyst, being not able to bear the incident of attack by partner IPFT party, Tripura member of parliament Rebati Mohan Tripura made the above said comments out of resentment. He also clearly said the IPFT party members does not follow the rules and regulations and they are behaviorally lunatic and violent. On the other side, strong allegations have been raised by General Secretary of IPFT Mongol Debbarma, where he said to ruin the tranquility and generous atmosphere, BJP has put butter oil into the burning flame. Few days back, allegedly one BJP worker had been brutally beaten up by IPFT workers at Tulashikar area, and MP Rebati Mohan Tripura went to visit the victim worker along with MLA Rampodo Jamatia, MLA Pinaki Das Chaudhary and many other leaders and workers. Tuesday, while returning back after visiting the affected worker, allegedly they had been attacked by the IPFT workers. Allegations have been raised that the IPFT workers attacked member of parliament Rebati Mohan Tripura and his companions in front of IPFT party office at Tulashikar Bazar, and they were escorted back safely through other road by BJP workers in numerous bikes. MP Rebati Mohan Tripura further alleged that few of the IPFT workers possessed sharp weapons with them. Wednesday, he complained that though the BJP National General Secretary Ram Madhav urged the LE IPFT party to maintain a friendly relation without creating any violence, the IPFT party has pushed cotton in their ears and are creating mishaps one after another. MP Rebati Mohan Tripura strongly criticized the ruling LE IPFT party, saying that they have strong connections with the extremist groups. According to the political analyst, this comment of BJP MP Reboti Mohan Tripura against its own LEIPFT has turned out to be a matter of great concern. IPFT's devastating acts, communal thinking, demand of separate Tripura land and ways of violent protest in the hills in the past few years coincides with MP Reboti Mohan Tripura's comment, which compels a majority of section of the people to think that the ruling BJP party's LEIPFT may have strong connections with the extremist group, which can turn out to be fatal for Tripura's future. Bureau Report, Hallabol. Indian government to appoint Vikram Duraiswamy as the new High Commissioner of India to Bangladesh. He is going to replace Riva Ganguly Das in Dhaka. As a part of the change in the appointment of diplomats, the Indian government is going to appoint Vikram Duraiswamy as the new High Commissioner of India to Bangladesh. According to the information from the sources, Duraiswamy is a 1992 batch Indian Foreign Service officer currently posted in the Ministry of External Affairs. He is going to replace Riva Ganguly Das in Dhaka. In the year 2019, month of January, Riva Ganguly Das joined as the 15th High Commissioner of India in Dhaka. She is going to join in as the Secretary East of the Ministry of External Affairs in the country. As Vijay Thakur Singh, who is the present Secretary East of the Indian Ministry, is going to retire in the month of September. Vikram Duraiswamy, prior to joining as Additional Secretary, served as the Joint Secretary Bangladesh Myanmar BM Division Ministry of External Affairs in India. Bureau Report, Hallabol. Well, that's all from our English desk at this moment. For more news and updates, stay tuned to Hallabol.